Here I've got XIAOMI Mi Note 10 Lite, and let me show you how to use timer on the following device. So at first you have to click on the clock icon, and here from the modes select timer. This is the last icon here. And now all you have to do is to pick some particular period of time. So let me pick, for example, 8 seconds, and now just select the ringtone. So if you would like to have a default one, forest, or maybe summer night, but let me stay with default. Now just click on play, and you can, for example, turn your device off. You can just switch off the display and you will see once time's up, and here it is. As you can see, here's your ringtone, time's up, click on OK. But also you can smoothly use your phone while timer is active. So let me give it, for example, with summer night for another 8 seconds. And you will be able to hear this summer night in the background. And as you can see, now it is displayed right here. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate timer on your device. Tap on OK then, and you can use it whenever you need to. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.